Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday and I have a little mask going on with the shadow. Woo. Whatever. Today I don't have any plans. Well, I did have some plans, but I canceled them because it is snowing, and it has been snowing all night and all morning, and it will be snowing all day today. Let me show you guys my phone. So you guys can see right here, it's going to snow all day, even tomorrow as well, and then Thursday should be fine. Thursday is going back to 40s according to this, which, okay, I'm okay with 40s. I don't like below 20s. It's just way too cold for me. I have a hoodie, I have a jacket. I was really upset this morning because I couldn't find gloves, and there was like 2 feet of snow on top of my car. I'll show you guys a little footage that I took right now. But yeah, other than that, right now I'm already home. The kids are at school. The roads suck because they only scrape the top of it, and then the bottom part of it becomes ice. So I don't understand why snow scraping, snow removal trucks do that. They should be throwing salt while they are scraping it, that way there's no ice. But I don't know. Anyway, whatever. Right now I'm going to make me a hot chocolate because I am super cold. I feel like coffee, but hot chocolate is better for me, so I'm gonna do hot chocolate. Excuse the look. I know I don't look very presentable, but it is hecka cold, so I didn't take time this morning to do anything to myself other than brush my teeth. So yeah, I'm gonna make me breakfast and a hot chocolate, and then I'll see you guys a little bit later. I took the kids this morning to school, as you guys probably saw in the previous video, in the previous clip. And it was really ugly. The roads were so ugly that they dismissed the whole school at 1:30. So they are already home. It's already 2 p.m. So I already have my kids here with me. As you can see, there's one right there. I am right now making brats and hot dogs and hot chocolate because I am really cold. Hubby is not here. Hubby's in Oregon. He'll be in Oregon till tomorrow. So yeah. Let me show you guys a little bit of how it looks outside.
It looks better than I tell you that.
So this is our backyard. It is pretty snowy. It's gotten a lot better this morning, and as you guys, I don't know if you guys are able to see, but it's still snowing very, very lightly. But I believe the phone says it's gonna continue snowing the whole day and the whole night. You guys see the little squirrel over there on the other fence? She's so cute. She's probably the one that ate all my peaches. Anyway, I am making hot dogs and brats. I just didn't have time to cook today because I took the kids to school and then I came back and did a couple of things around the house, and then my son called me and my son texted me and said that they were going to dismiss school early, so I had no time to cook. This is my hot chocolate. And this is all that I use for my hot chocolate. I use Hershey's Cocoa Special Dark 100% cacao. No sugar. And then as my sugar, I like to use raw and unfiltered honey. I don't know why it's not focusing. And my base is soy milk. So that is it.
Hi. How you doing?
So right now I don't have any plans because the day is way too cold to be outside. I have one jumpsuit, denim jumpsuit on for sale on Facebook, and I hope that I can sell it. The girl wants to come today. She chose a very nice day. Out of the whole week that has been perfectly fine, she chose today. I always give them we have a Big Lots right across the street over there, very close to our house. So I always give them the Big Lots address. I don't know. Is it just me or is it you guys too?
What'd you say? Is it weird that this is
I feel very weird giving people I don't know my address whenever I sell stuff. So I would much rather meet you somewhere public. That way I feel a little bit safer, and I always take my husband with me, or my kids, or whoever is with me. Today, unfortunately, I might just go by myself, but I'm not sure. I mean, or he can go with me.
Maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I won't. Maybe I won't.
Because I think they might want to go to Big Lots. So yeah, that is our day right now. I'll catch up with you guys if we end up doing something else. So I'll see you guys later.
Oh, nice.